This video will be different to the other videos I make. And this is because this was a really annoying process and I want to save other people their time. Well, the process wasn't annoying. It was more finding the solution. So, first, I'm assuming you have Vim plug. Well, maybe that's not as important. But I have Vim plug, and you should have this bar plugin that will just give your neovim tabs. I'm also assuming that you already have it set up for C# development. This video that I will link in the description gives you a tutorial on how to do that. It's very useful. But I found this in like a very obscure, I had to go through multiple searches, I don't know how to call them, pages of results to find this. Okay, so just follow these 4 steps. It should be pretty easy. You download, you get this, you download this repository, get clone of this, copy paste this. If that doesn't work, just do git clone and with the URL on top. Okay, and once you do that, once you have it here, you're gonna have a repository, a folder right here with this package, which will be what you will add to Unity. So you will go back here. Unity's being really janky right now. Okay, so you'll go here to Window, Package Manager, and you're going to want to add package from disk. Go to the folder where you put that on. So in my case it'd be Home, Utilities, this, and add package.json. I already have it in there, so I'm not going to add it right now. Then this should show up on your preferences. You should go to external tools, and this should show up. Choose this for your external script editor, and then it'll get a little bit more janky from here, because you're gonna wanna every time you want to start a Unity session, you're gonna have to copy this command, enter it in here. Now it's gonna open neovim. Oh my god. And then when you open this, it will show up in that window you just opened. So that's basically what Unity's doing. Is it's sending a command. I don't know if you can see it, but it's down here. It's sending that command. That command opens whatever script you just opened in this neovim. In the neovim part you just opened. Neovim session you just opened, sorry. So it should be easy. I hope this is helpful for anyone stumbling in on this. That's all. Bye.